Hey guys, welcome back to Carnivore Airsoft channel. Today I have some high-packed airsoft shots, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the vid. Right here I believe I saw Alfonso, but I wasn't quite sure if that was him or not. So I gave it a little bit of zoom. Waited for a second. Oh, there he is. Got him.
Fuck yeah, I got Alfonso! Fuck yeah!
Right beneath you.
You hear what I said?
Alfonso was on my hit list. I was pretty excited when I finally sniped him.
That was fucking awesome. That's my weekend right there. Okay, well, where's that dude at?
He's right beneath this other window.
Is there any angle on him or no?
We had enemy closing in on us. We were about to get overran.
Oh, that's your way. Whoop, sorry.
Are y'all up? Yeah.
That was bad trigger discipline. This isn't my gun, it has really hair trigger on it.
I probably get hit. I'm just gonna just simulate tonight. Chaos is us.
Huh?
Chaos is us.
Yeah.
You need to watch your back too, though.
Things quieted down a little bit, so we decided to go back into the hallway and check things out a little bit. My teammate goes down the hall with a grenade to check it out. And I go back to my sniper spot and see if I can get anybody else. stayed in the hallway a little bit too long. I probably should have went back with the others.
Hey, hey, hey! Let me get out of the way! I don't want fucking...
Grenade!
Andy.
Reloading.
Well guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time on Carnivore Airsoft.